Hello, my name is Tyler Borden, and I create a restaurant called The Fresh Catch. So for The Fresh Catch, the slogan is going to be "Come and freshen up your palate." The Fresh Catch will be taking local foods from local residents and pay for their protein slash their catch. We will take that fresh catch and make a chef special dish with that, and we'll be using fresh veggies with that fresh dish. And we will also donate some of the profits from the catch that the local residents bring into local charities to give back. So for the menu, for the appetizers, we're just going to start with some of the appetizers that I personally would love to see at like a Fresh Catch restaurant. Some fried calamari, love that. Soup of the day, could be like clam chowder, tomato basil bisque, etc. Some house-made Brussels sprouts, caprese, some mussels, crab dip, personal favorite there. And then a salad of your choice could be Caesar Italian, house salad. So the seafood appetizers are going to be a little bit more expensive because, of course, costs are going to be more expensive. We also have some less expensive items for people who might not want to spend that much on a appetizer, which is going to be the veggies and the soup of the day. So then entrees. To start out, we got our Fresh Catch of the Day special. The prices are going to vary for that depending on the fish or meat. It's probably going to be anywhere from 20 to 32 though, you're looking at. And then we of course got the NC Mountain Trout. Boone's known for that one. $24. We got the Oolong Sea Bass, kind of a higher end fish for someone who's looking for that excellent meal. It's a $32 one. And we got of course have our filet mignon for 36, an 8-ounce filet mignon. And then we also have a steak of the day from local raised cows, etc. That price is going to vary as well. Could be again 20 to 32 bucks. And then because those dishes are all pretty high priced, I tried to get something a little bit lower. Also, we don't have pasta on the menu, so I included a chicken slash a shrimp Alfredo. Chicken's going to be 18, shrimp 20. And then we have some vegetarian options, a couple that are also going to be cheaper. We have a mushroom Wellington and a spicy fried cauliflower with fresh veggies, also a spicy option for someone who's looking for that. All right, and then we have our sides. They're all going to be $3 for an added-on side. We got our sautéed fresh veggies, sweet potato fries, house chips, side salad, steak fries, grilled asparagus, steamed broccoli. And then for our resource conservation strategy, I kind of touched on it earlier. We're just going to use all locally grown vegetables, and we're going to take local meat. People from Boone really take pride in sustainability, so that's exactly what we're doing. We're sustaining Boone and just not letting anything leave Boone, using our local products and just giving back to the community. So, thank you.